Imagine Harry Potter, but with a clown nose, a rainbow hat, and holding a rubber chicken. Not from a fan edit, but from a single sentence typed into an AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to bring any character or vision to life with zero experience, using a wild tool called FAL.ai. Let's summon some magic. Welcome to Wizard AI, the channel where your words become art, animation, and pure sorcery. Today we're diving into text-to-image generation using FAL.ai/flux/dev, and then taking it one step further. I'll show you how to generate multiple versions of the same image character doing totally different things, all using a secret technique called LoRa. Let's start conjuring. Step 1. Go to your browser and type FAL.ai/flux/dev. This is the playground where you can turn text into art instantly. Now, in the prompt box, write something visual and fun. Harry Potter with a clown nose and rainbow wizard hat, holding a rubber chicken under dramatic lighting, photorealistic 4K EO. Be creative. The AI loves detail. You'll see a drop-down of image models. I recommend realistic images if you want something semi-photoreal. Hit that run button and boom, in a few seconds, the AI will generate your visual spell. Pick your favorite version, click the 3 dots, and download your masterpiece. You just summoned your first AI image. All right, ready to take this spell to the next level? Head to FAL.ai/flux-LoRa. This is where we teach the AI to recognize and repeat the same character or visual identity over and over. There are tons to explore, but I used a custom-trained one I made of my own clown-nosed Harry Potter. In the trigger word box, I typed Potter. That's our magic word that tells the AI, hey, recreate that same dude every time. Each one should include the trigger word Potter, and then describe something new. For example, Potter riding a dragon through the clouds, cinematic lighting, Potter eating ice cream in Times Square, photorealistic Potter fighting a robot army with laser beams, Potter on the moon, planting a flag, ultra-wide shot, Potter playing electric guitar at a concert, stage lights, and fire effects. Each one keeps the same core character, but puts them in new wild adventures. Once you click Run, FAL will give you multiple unique images, all based on your character, all different scenes, all consistent. And just like that, you've learned how to create epic images and tell full visual stories using only text and one trigger word. Hit like if this blew your wizard brain, and tap subscribe if you're ready for more powerful AI spells, character crafting, and storytelling tools every single week, because I am homeless editing these videos at the college computer lab. The only food I get is from the leftover chicken scraps from owls. This is Wizard AI, where your words become worlds.